to look at question number 20 and basically do the same thing, but we're going to do a plus 5 to the 5th power. We're going to expand this one first. So Rita, help us write the coefficients.
1, 5, 10, 5, 2.
And go ahead and tell us what to write for the a's. Oops, that was supposed to be a b.
5 to the 5, a to the 5, a to the 3rd, a to the 2nd, a to the 8th, or a to the 1st.
And the last one?
Just
A to the
0
power. Thank you. Raymond, help us fill out the b's. But what would I write?
0.
Plus. Keep going. Okay, yesterday we learned that the exponents add to what we need here, right? 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, let's clean this up now. So now we're going to take out, class, anything to the 0 power is equal to? 1. Okay. Chris, tell us what's right. So remember, we don't have to write the powers of 1 anymore, right? Keep going.
Plus 10 a partial third b squared.
You're following along.
Plus 10 squared times a squared b partial third plus 5 a b partial fourth plus 1 b partial fifth.
Okay, so that's a cleaned up version. What's the only difference between yesterday and today's lesson? Yeah. A value is x, but pay attention here. My b value is 3y. Alex, don't throw things.
Straight out you.
So every a value, we're going to write x. Pay attention. B value is positive 3y. Now, they could give you a really difficult one where it makes it a minus sign, and then your b value would be a negative. So here, my b value is a 3y. So now I have x to the 5th power plus 5 times x to the 4th power times 3y, right? There's the b value. Plus 10 times a value is x, and my b value is 3y squared. So notice that every time I'm replacing here in pink, it's going to be in parentheses. Do you see that? Super important. Plus 10 times x squared. My b value is 3y. Logan, wake up. Times 5 times x. 3y to the 4th power. Notice my 4th power is here on the outside because the b value is 3y. And then lastly, 3y to the 5th power. Okay, let's do some processing. Partner A, I want you to explain or clarify any questions your partner has about just doing the problem with A's and B's. Partner B, I want you to explain how to use the yellow and pink. And then I want you guys to simplify these. Okay, so 3y squared would be what? 9y squared. And 9y squared times 10 would be 90. Okay? You guys try it. Class, what is x to the 5th power? Just x to the 5th power. Okay, let's focus on this one. For those who keep saying can't see, get glasses. You decide to go to community college, the professor's not going to zoom in for you. It's called manual zoom. You sit in the front. This is 5x to the 4th power. And this one just says 3y. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply the constants. A lot of you guys were asking, how did I get 90 in that example? Well, it's 5 times 3. Class, what's 5 times 3? So this becomes 15x to the 4th y. Now, notice that my x's are still descending, or going down, and my y values are ascending, or going up. Y to 0, y to the 1st, y to the 2nd. See that? Let's try another one. Class, this one's going to become what right here? 10x squared, right? Okay. Class, does this mean 9y? No. What does it mean?
27.
3y times 3y times 3y gives us 27y cubed. And then class, what's 10 times 27? 270. Let's do the last one. Or last two. This one just becomes what? 5x. 3y to the 4th power. Okay, so I don't really know what that is, so look. I have 3 caret C-A-R, I think E-T, to the 4th power. Try that again. 3 to 81. Some of your calculators will have x to the y power on your calculators. So I get 81 to the 4th. Because remember, this here basically means 3y times 3y times 3y. Does that make sense? And if you multiply 5 times 81, you get
400.
and 3y to the 5th power?
No.
243?
Yeah.
Y to the 5th. Okay. So how did we do this problem? Still do it with a plus b's, right? Using Pascal's triangle for your coefficients. A values are descending. B values are ascending. You substitute in your A and your B values, and then you're just simplifying. When you're simplifying, go slow. For example, multiply the constants. 10 times 9 gives you 90. I'm going to box this one. This is my final answer.
That's an answer.